Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will round numbers to the nearest 10. Angie has 42 Squishmallows. About how many Squishmallows does she have if it is rounded to the nearest 10? Let's think. We have the number 42. We know the 2 is in the ones place, and we know the 4 is in the tens place. We need to focus in on the tens place because it says to round to the nearest 10. Let's count by tens 4 times since we have a 4 in the tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40. The 2 in the ones place is also important. Let's take a look. We have 2 ones. If we have 2 ones, that means we still need 8 more ones to make another 10. That's more than half. Half would be needing only 5 ones, but we need 8. So we know we're closer to 40 than we are to the next 10, which would be 50. Let's take a look at a number line. We have 40, 50. Halfway between 40 and 50 is 45. We know 42 is about here. We notice that we need 8 more ones to get to 50 and only 2 ones to be at 40. That means that 42 rounds to 40, and Angie has about 40 Squishmallows. Mark has 76 video games. About how many video games does he have if it is rounded to the nearest 10? We have the number 76. The 6 is in the ones place and the 7 is in the tens place. We need to focus in on the tens place because it says to round to the nearest 10. Let's count by tens 7 times since we have a 7 in the tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. The 6 in the ones place is also important. We have 6 ones. This means we only need 4 ones to get to the next 10, which would be 80. Since that's less than half, which would be 5 more ones, we know that 76 is actually closer to the next 10, which would be 80, since we only need 4 more ones. Let's take a look at this number line. We have 70, 80. Halfway between 70 and 80 is 75. 76 falls about here. Let's take a look. We only need 4 more ones to get to 80, and we need 6 ones to be all the way back at 70. That means that 76 rounds to 80. Mark has about 80 video games.